or Retouch product can be used for editing images, resizing images, creating images, as well as any other color or retouch miscellaneous charges. The first option on the pricing form is to enter in the number of images that we're working with. Underneath that, we have 4 options for services. Whenever we click the first drop down, some of the options, the available options that we have are assembly, beauty services, creating images, editing images. Say we create an image. We're going to enter in how many images we have. Underneath that, we specify the complexity of creating these images. Each complexity is linked to a multiplier. That multiplier is then linked to your labor, color touch or pre-touch labor, and that is how you determine what your subtotal is. Underneath your 4 services, you can specify proofs, what type of proofs you're going to be creating. The 2 examples that we have are laser proofs and PDF proofs. For each of these, you would specify the quantity that you're going to create. Underneath that, we have a miscellaneous section, just like any other miscellaneous section in any other of our products. We'll enter in the name of our miscellaneous item, the quantity, what our unit type is, our unit cost, the multiplier, and control is going to automatically multiply those to create your unit price. Underneath your miscellaneous option are going to be your finals, or your deliverables. The 2 options that we have are disk and proof. And underneath that, we're going to specify the number of each, the number of proofs, the number of finals that we're going to enter. Over to the right, we have a section for work order details, and this is where you would specify more information to the person that's working on this job in production. So you can enter in your color space, Dmax, DPI, background, and so on. The next option over is your page assembly. This is where you would enter in the height and the width of the trim size, your bleed size, and your live size. The third tab are your user add-ons or modifiers. The example that we have here is if you're going to charge an additional charge for something, you would just enter in that number, and that's going to add to your subtotal. Underneath this, we have the description tab and the production notes tab. The description, anything that you enter in the description section will show on your estimate, your invoice, and your work order. Anything that's entered in the production notes will only show on your work order. Underneath this section, you can specify a particular image. You can link an image to this product. You can enter in shipping notes, or you can add a miscellaneous product. You can also open up the photography product. The photography product we've gone over in another video, so to learn details about that, please see the photography video. This concludes the color retouch video.